As the camping season is in full swing, I want to show you two very useful products for your Tesla. One is going to be a literal fridge that you can install on the side of your Tesla. This is applicable for Model 3, Model Y. We're going to show you different products, and then a camping mattress that you can use that takes the shape of your Tesla to make your camping experience even better. Let's get started. My cousin got both of these products from TLYARD. We have reviewed a lot of their products in the past, and they actually have a massive sale going on right now for a limited time. Let me show you how you can take advantage of this. So this is the air mattress we're going to be showing you today. As you can see, it is already down quite a bit, and I'm going to show you how you can bring this down even more. And then this is the fridge. So this is the Model Y, or you can do Model Y Juniper, and you see the price is $499 from $529. But when you go to the cart right here, and if we were to do checkout and go to this screen here, if you put a discount code Shiva Tesla, so SHIVATESLA Shiva Tesla, and you hit apply, for both of this product, not just individual, both of this product, you're gonna get a whopping $186 off, bringing the total to $502 instead of $688. And if you just do individually, let's say just do the fridge here, it goes from $499 to $364.27. This is the lowest price I have seen on a fridge like this in a while. So this is indeed a really good deal if you want to take advantage of it. This is an affiliate code. We earn a very small commission at no additional cost to you, which greatly helps us bring videos like this in the future. Thank you very much. Let's continue. As you can see, they give you really nice instructions on where things are at. So these are all the components that come with the refrigerator. They send you the instructions manual and the screws that you need with some of that hardware here, and then all the extra cabinets, the shelves that we're gonna put it inside. So we're gonna start with this unit here. It just needs to go in and basically slide into its place, and as you see, it goes and slides really nicely, no problem here. So that's where we're gonna be putting in this fridge. Before you put any of the hardware, just align this into its place and then plug it in here. And then the good thing is this has a Velcro on the side, so it is just going to stick into its place here. So the bottom piece goes first, and then after that goes in, you can push this in, and as you see, this goes into its place now. So this is good to go here, and if you're having a hard time, you can also lift this if needed, but there you go. So for the hardware, we're going to put this here. Just it kind of aligns into the hole down there, and then we're going to push it in, and then after pushing it in, we can turn it and then simply push that down. So it kind of becomes a hinge on top here. So as you see, it becomes a hinge, and then it just stays into its place. So for the hardware, we're going to put this here. Just it kind of aligns into the hole down there, and then we're going to push it in, and then after pushing it in, we can turn it and then simply push that down. So it kind of becomes a hinge on top here. So as you see, it becomes a hinge, and then it just stays into its place. We want to do that on both sides. Now for all of these partitions here, you have a choice. However you want to slide those in, you can put this on the very bottom. So you could put that in there, and you can store stuff in the bottom there. You can also put this if you wanted to put it like on the bottom there. So it kind of drops into it. Here is the partition that you can put. So you can put this in this area here. Just goes and slides in. So as you see, you can put the partition. So when you first plug it in, if the power is not there, just press on the edge here. So if you press and hold on it for a little bit, it is going to turn on. Right now it's 25 degrees Celsius, and we have this set to 4 degrees Celsius all the way. So it's going to take a couple of minutes. The compressor is already running, so we should be able to see that temperature go down here. So it's been about 8 minutes, and it's 14 degrees Celsius, which is a huge temperature difference on a hot day. So this is working out really good. This is a pretty large 16-liter capacity fridge that can fit 20 Coke cans, 10 water bottles, and 4 large wine bottles. With so much capacity on this fridge, you are always prepared anywhere you need to go. You can load up your veggies, your meat, your drinks, and you always have it with you chilled and ready. So you can enjoy your Tesla while your drinks and food is staying safe and fresh in your fridge. This fridge is also available for Model 3 Highland, of course a smaller size, but same features. This is super quiet and you can let this run at all times. However, I would recommend you turn off the keep accessory power on feature from your Tesla screen so it doesn't drain your battery while at park all the time. They also have a sleek app you can use to control this fridge. You can change the unit, change temperature, go between different modes, and even toggle the fridge on and off remotely from outside as long as it's connected to Bluetooth. You can change between different options and just so much more. Overall, this is a great way to keep your food and drinks cold while on the road. I use it on a longer road trips when I need to chill my drinks on the go, and also grocery shopping. This is huge. Like if you need to buy something, let's say even like ice creams or veggies, and then you're not returning home right away. You want to do more shopping or hang out somewhere. This is great for that purpose because you can just leave it in your car and then everything is going to stay fresh, refrigerated. I would not recommend you run this all the time. So I would recommend you turn off that setting where the accessory power is on, because this is going to drain your battery over time. If you keep plugging it in at all times, you're going to lose your range. But just for those specific use cases, I think this is a great option to have. With the warm feature, if you want to just heat this up to whatever temperature, keeping like let's say baby formula, milk or things like that, if you wanted to keep it warm, you also have that option. But I think this is mostly a refrigerator where things get cold, and this cools really fast. So there's that option as well. So overall, I think there's a great use case for it, but I'll let you be the judge. Now let's talk about the air mattress next for your camping experience. So as you can see, it comes with a bag here, so easy to carry. You can even carry it like that. Typical camping stuff here. So we're gonna remove this bag and take out the bed and then start pumping it up to see if this holds up to the hype. Cousin goes camping a lot, so he's excited to have this bed for his Juniper. They also send you a little pump so that we can pump this up. They also have a repair patch here, so you can do the repair and they show you how to. So we're gonna grab this and simply plug in right here. Now this pump is powered. Again, this pump came with the kit, so there's nothing extra here. And then once you put this in, you just have to toggle it on and then this starts working. So you can just let this run here. It's pretty nice. And just do your thing, and then look, it is starting to inflate. I see the air already going in, so you can do your thing while this runs. You don't even have to hold it like other pumps. So there's my cousin there, and he is already feeling comfortable even with just this much air in here. So let me stop this. How does it feel?
I feel so wonderful.
Okay, so there you go. Very comfortable. There's also the pillow over there, right?
It's better than a hotel room.
Oh yeah. Do you fit?
Yeah, I can. I can easily fit 3 people right here with my son.
Oh, nice. Perfect. So you can see it actually has a pillow here, like an integrated pillow, which is really nice. So you don't even need a pillow or anything. And then as you see there, it takes the shape of the Tesla. It's taking the shape of the Tesla there. And it looks just really nice. You can close the trunk safely, as you can see, with no issues. And now you have this perfectly fitted there. So you can camp in this without any issue. So as you can see, this pillow is very nice, like cushiony. It doesn't even feel like this is an air mattress. I don't know what this material is, but typical air mattress, they are too squeezy. They are not firm. This is very firm. I like it. It kind of gives me the memory foam type of a vibe. So super nice. Like it's raised. The pillows are raised. So it's ready to go to be camping. Like probably the easiest mattress I have seen to take it out and get going. So let's test this new. Oh, this is nice. You aren't kidding. This is very nice. I like it. It's firm. It's not like super squeezy, like soft. This is actually very firm. So like it. And then the pillow, I was a little worried it was going to be too small, but the pillow is in a perfect position. So, and I'm 5'9", so I just squeeze a little bit up. You can see that I fit there. So he is going to close my trunk there. And as you see, I fit. I mean, I barely fit on the side there, but in the middle, I fit perfectly. As you see there, even if I need to, like I can get another pillow here and be able to fit to the size, but like right now, I'm touching the trunk, but yeah. Yeah, this is nice, this is comfortable. Great for camping. I like how it fits and super easy to set up. So as you can see, you could also make this half the bed. So it's very comfortable, even higher. It gives you more cushion, and you can just take just the half of the space if you need a space saving. As you can see, this whole area is open, and you can even take this seat up, and you're gonna be able to have just this seat down here and be able to enjoy your camping. So when you first set this up, you're gonna see two ports. There is a black port here. This is the air filling port, and then there is a gray port here. This is to let the air out. So the first thing that you can do to deflate this is just left this out, and the air just starts gushing out here. So you can kind of let this just be. You can push it just like a normal method, or I'm gonna show you how you can actually use the pump to get this deflated. To deflate the pump, bring it closer here. The riding one is to inflate, to deflate is the other side. So you just plug this in here, and then you go over here, you plug it right here, and then you turn it on, and now it starts sucking in the air, so then it's going to deflate everything for you. Yeah, it's already starting to deflate there. So once you're done, you just have to pack it up on this bag again. Super handy bag. Now you're on your way. You can just leave this on the subfloor area if you don't have anything there, and then be able to hide it here as well. So I would just, if you go camping a lot, this is super handy. You can put your pump and strap and everything inside. So this mattress is pretty compact. It is large enough to fit the entire area in the back, takes the contour of your Tesla Model Y Juniper, and it's easy to inflate and deflate. It doesn't look too bulky like some of the other air mattresses, so you can store it anywhere and does not affect the height of your Tesla. Getting in and out is super easy because it is kind of a smaller shape there. Overall, the quality wise, I don't know, I haven't used it long term to tell you it is going to last you forever, but seems pretty high quality just from the material perspective, and it fits, it does the job. It comes with the pillows integrated. You can also make it half, so that makes it even easier, so that you can just fold one part of the seat and then keep the other seat is still open. So there's multiple benefits to it. There are plenty of mattress options out there, so this is just one for you to consider, and overall I'm happy with it. So what are your thoughts about this product? Would you use it to camp in your Tesla, or just a daily use case for the fridge and your Tesla? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and come back again soon.